where O1A, here we are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm, O1A 60 degree in anti-clockwise direction, so it is considered as a 1 centimeter. From O1 take 200 mm below 1 point, after that 300 mm I am getting O2, after that 4 centimeter O3. So here we are mentioned 3 point, that O1, O2 and O3 initially, which are the fixed point. After that join O1 to A with 60 degree, take AC is equal to 700 mm and draw one arc of 7 centimeter, as we are mentioned that 100 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So take AC 7 centimeter and arc at here. Same way O3C is 200 mm, so 2 centimeter from O3 and arc in this side. So AC and O3C are intersect at point C. Now as we see the figure, BC is given to you, where BC is equal to 200 mm. So from C take 2 centimeter, so getting point B. After that getting point B, we have the dimension of BD and O2D. So B, from point B take 1.5 centimeter and from O2 take 2 centimeter. So both are intersect at point D. Join O2D and BD. As we know that here mentioned that this is a bell crank lever, and we know that when we talk about the bell crank lever, on that time it may be considered as a 90 degree. So here the degree between DO2 and O2E is 90 degree. So mention DO2E is equal to 90 degree, where O2E is equal to 4 centimeter, as we taking the scale that 100 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So now hope so space diagram is finished. Am I start velocity diagram? If we talk about velocity diagram, then
Yes, sir.
just refer once, so it's easy for you. If we are start the velocity diagram, before that from the space diagram we understand that O1, O2 and O3 are the fixed point, and here the uniform speed means angular velocity is given to us, that is 100 radian per second. So omega of O1A is 100 radian per second, O1A 100 mm, which we convert in meter, so we are getting 0.1 meter. For linear velocity of A with respect to O1, we have to find first VO1A is equal to omega O1A into O1A. Okay, omega कितना है हमारा 100 into 0.1, so we are getting 10 meter per second. This is the first dimension that we are getting at here. And one thing we have to mention here that कि ये 90 डिग्री आएगा, so यहाँ पे हम एक 90 डिग्री की लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, and that line should be parallel taken with the help of roller scale. Okay, this is the diagram, or we are considered it is a space diagram. that you already finished. Now talk about this diagram. You just consider that O1, O2, O3 is a fixed point. So here I can consider randomly at one point, that is O1, O2, O3. After that, as I mentioned earlier, we are taking the perpendicular line where the scale is you may take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter per second or 5 meter per second. It's up to you. If we are considered 2 meter per second, then from O1, this is 90 degree and I am taking the perpendicular line from O1. Draw perpendicular to space diagram of O1A, whose direction is this and magnitude is 5 centimeter. Okay, so I am getting A. After that, if I am talking about AC, now talking about AC, once again draw the perpendicular line at here. After that, from point A, that line we have to draw in the direction perpendicular to the space diagram of AC, so that we can see very easily at here. We know the direction, but we don't know the magnitude. So we know that what we have to do. Once again, we can just verify the space diagram where C is contact or connected with the O3. So once again, from O3, take perpendicular line, mention and we focus at here. AC, already we have drawn the perpendicular line from the A, small a, and now from O3, draw perpendicular line, and it may be intersect on C. Okay, AC and O3C are intersect at point C. So this is the basic triangle you are getting, that O1, A, C, O3. After that, we have capital B lies on AC, therefore divide vector ratio. So we have the equation that capital AB divided by capital AC, both the dimension we have, capital AB divided by capital AC is equal to small ab divided by small ac. Okay, already we have small a's and we have to find small ab. So you are getting one point B on AC line. Okay, after that, as we know the diagram, B is joined with the D. So same way B is joined with D, but in which way? We know very well that draw the perpendicular line from point B. Draw the perpendicular line from point B. It is we are talk about point D, or we are trying to search about D. So B, from point B we drawn one perpendicular line whose direction we know, but magnitude we don't know. Once again, from O2 we draw the perpendicular line from O2D. Due to that, BD and O2D are intersect at point D. After that, talk about point E. Once again it is perpendicular. At where you remember one thing for point E, that here O2D and O2E are perpendicular. On that time we have the equation that we are used at here. You remember the equation also. O2E divided by O2D is equal to O2E divided by O2D. Okay, and we are getting this dimension. Same ratio, same equation for the which we are used for the intermediate point. Same equation we are used at here. I repeat the equation and I just mention in the chat box also, so you can clarify with the equation that which equation to find point E. So remember the equation that O2E by O2D is equal to small O2D small O2E divided by small O2E. You are getting point E because it is bell crank lever, or it is the links are at, because links are at 90 degree. Just solve the example as per the given instruction and give me the answer and mention your answer in the chat box, so we may be find if you have any query, and if your answer should be within 5% limit, then it may be valid. Just find the answer and we are just compare the answer with your answer. Hope so your answer should be within limit.